Welcome to Innie's Room. Today will be exploring nature. We're at the Plainsboro Preserve. And now we're gonna hunt. So let's go. Wait, first we have to put our masks on. Oh yeah, we forgot. Silly me. And we're gonna keep recording and we're gonna even show the Plainsboro birds. So just follow us where we go. Look at all of those fallen branches. Whoa! Do you see that red thing right over there? I think that's an apple. It's a ginormous forest. Hello guys. Let's go. Follow us. Here's the map. Yeah. It looks like it's going like this. This is the park. I think this is the place. This is the nature center and the parking. And then there's a railway. There's a railway. So now let's be going. So let's follow Innie. I'm just gonna like show me something. I don't know. I'm gonna show them this. Show them this. So this is like white. These are the signs. Yeah. Blue loop is over there. And white trail is there and there and there. Purple trail is that way. And then the orange trail is that way. Okay, now let's be going. I'm really excited for this. I am really. This looks like last time we went here. This looks like abandoned things. Let's keep going. I'm going backwards. There's a big meadow. That's a big meadow. It looks like there's only grass. All we can see is grass. Let's keep on walking. Yeah, let's keep on walking. If you want to subscribe to Innie's channel, subscribe and let me say it. Subscribe and click that button. And that's the way how you join into our channel. You subscribe and join and click the bell and then you're in our channel. And then you can be in our family. See that yellow thing? That's the dandelion. And you can be in our family. So let's keep walking. If we get tired, we can just like. If you want to sit here, you can relax. So. Whoa. We cannot sit on it. You can only like touch it a tiny bit. So let's keep walking. We're almost there. Because we see the pond. Hey guys, look at all these dogs. You see this here? This is the 46 bird feeder. So basically we put bird seeds in here and then the birds will come up to eat the bird seeds. There's also another one over there. Let's go check it out. Yeah, it looks like this same thing. It looks something similar to that, except it says 45. So this is the 45th bird feeders. There are a lot of bird feeders on the way that we didn't even. And that shape is like that we missed. Yeah, and this is a circle. What? It's look over there. There are some people walking. See? Can you guys see them? Yeah, they have a dark blue and light blue shirts. So let's go keep walking. Keep on walking. We still have a far journey ahead of us. Yeah. We're just doing like some videos. Partially hidden in the shrubbery is a testament to some of the rich land used history of this site. This summer, see, it says Purple Trail. This is the same thing. That's the Purple Trail. The blue loop, yellow trail, red loop, green trail, let's just go. Blue loop, pink trail, and Maggie's trail. Mine going. So this is the birds watching. Go. This is the lake. Going. Taking some trails from the car. Whoa! Annie, look! The car went straight through there. Look, Annie, the car. I could see the footprint. Mama. Look, there's a duck. Look closely. There's a duck. Do you see that white stream? There's a duck. There's a duck. No, we need the boat. No, it's a duck. Oh, we're going. Here's the lake, and then here's a bench. It's free right now. Few people live here before. Can we sit here? We can sit here. Look at that. Hey, Ma, can I throw a rock in there? You can throw a rock. Oh. Well, that was pretty far. I'm going to get tons of rocks. Okay, so I'm going to get closer. I'm going to catch the little deep, tiny. I'm too scared. Hey, Amy, I'm gonna throw the stick in there. Throw the stick in there. Wow, that was a big splash. Ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding. What? It's far away though. Can we only put in small stones? Not sticks? Okay. Cheese! We are relaxing here. And we're throwing rocks! Oh, do you hear that? We saw a frog. Hear that again. Hear it. Look, guys. Look there. Go up. I'm going to stay right here. Whoa, this is so... I'm going to throw this inside. Wow, that was pretty cool. I'm going to touch the water with the stick. I'm going to do that too. Whoa! So deep. Now I'm gonna... Long journey.